Guys, hey guys, it's your girl Kayla B. You know me, and I'm coming at you with another video. Yes, another video. If you read from the title, this is my Ipsy Glam Pack Plus unboxing. Not an ultimate. This box is really big. So yeah, it's very light too, so I don't know what's in here. I just know like the product that I chose and the add-on that I have. So let's get into this. If you don't know what Ipsy Glam Pack Plus is, it's a beauty subscription that has 5 full-size products that retails over $125, and it's mostly skincare, but you know, it's also beauty. You also have a beauty profile, so it goes with your beauty profile. But to be honest, if you need eyeliners and you say that you don't want eyeliners at a certain point, they're still going to give you eyeliners, you know. They're just a bunch of eyeliner. This is the eyeliner subscription. Let's just put it like that. Anyways, let's get into my April 2020 Glam Bag Plus. This is what it looks like inside. It says discover yourself with orange foam. And this is what the bag is looking like. It has a nice wooden tassel. It has, I think, like dragonflies or it's flowers. Anyways, it is very springy. I liked this bag out of all the other bags mostly because it's like a limeish type of green, and I like green even though I'm wearing all purple, but I like green. Yeah, and I just like it, and I thought it was a good change purse. It opens up and it says Ipsy, and it has this type of color in the inside. I just really like it. Oh, by the way, you also get 5 full-size products and a glam bag every single month. So I just like this one. The other next month's glam bags are just like creams, like it's like fading, but the colors are just no. But some of the spoilers are like yes. So we'll see if I get it next month. It depends on the choices that they have. They also like have like on the day that you choose one of your products, like 5 or 6 like items, and that's on the 23rd. So on the 23rd, go choose your items. Actually, I lied. It's actually $120 worth of product. $125 is Boxycharm. This is the full bloom. That's the theme. And then this is the pamphlet that it comes with every single month. It also has like all the products and what it retails for. We're gonna look at that later. Now let's go with my add-on first. My add-on is the Shana B blush brush. Just like a little dome brush. I needed another face brush. This retails for like $23 or $28. I will leave the price and the link down below. Excuse me. But anyways, this is like a lot of money, and I just paid $3 for it. So add-ons is where it is. Okay, Ipsy add-ons. I hear you. I hear you. I see you. And I respect you. Anyways, this is the Martin Mattifying Matting Water Gel Toner by Sunday Riley. This is what I chose. This retails for $25. There is a like 4.4 fluid ounces. This has 1.7 fluid ounces size, but it's only on Sunday Riley's website. On Sephora, this is the only size that they carry. So this is technically a full size, and it's worth $25. So if I like it and it works, you know, because the summer's coming up, your girl needs that mattifying, and it's good for pimples. And I've been like breaking out. You probably can't see it, so I'm gonna just keep it like this because I don't want you to see it. The next thing is from Ciate London. This is the XXL Flash Effect Vegan Mascara. This retails for triple shot XXL mascara. This retails for $22. I'm gonna show you what the packaging looks like, but I'm not gonna show you the wand because I got too many mascaras open. And to be honest, I gotta try the Thrive mascara before I try this one, like the order of which I got, okay? And before that, the It Cosmetics Superhero Mascara. So the next thing that I got is something that I really didn't want to get. I wanted to get a Dose of Color Lippy, but I got the Garlactick Jello Gloss Balm. It retails for $18. This will be on my Macari. If not, then it will be in a future giveaway after everything, you know, settles down. Because, you know, I usually do my summer, my birthday giveaways. I don't know if I will be able to do it because, you know, this COVID-19. The next thing retails for $36. This is the Lavadio 2-in-1 Purifying Facial Mask and Exfoliator. This goes for exfoliating. This is like exfoliating cleanser, and also it also can be used as a mask. It's a 2-in-1. I like it. I like it a lot. This is the Tartiest mascara. This retails for $24. $24, like $24 for, well, it's 2 mascaras, a double-ended. That's what it looks like. Again, won't use this right now, won't take it out because I have so many eyeliners. Again, eyeliner subscription, Ipsy. So overall, my box retails for $125. So yes, over $120, but without the garlactick, it's $107. So technically, I got my money's worth because I like the other products. But that water gel was $25. That's the price of the box. That toner, and that's what I wanted. So, and then, you know, I got the mask, which is great because, you know, mask try on Mondays. If you don't know, I do mask try on Mondays every single Monday. So go check my playlist out and go check it out when I do a review on the mask. So I'm good with both of those products. Anyways, I hope you guys like this unboxing. Hope you guys like this video. Have a great day, have a great night whenever you're watching this. Stay safe, stay healthy. And I actually liked my box this month, besides one product, but it's better than Boxycharm. If you want to see Boxycharms, it's coming up soon. I got it today. I'm letting it air, but I already know what's in it because, you know, I had to let it air. I had to, you know, spray it out. Anyways, you should see like my head and everything pop up. Hope you click on it and, you know, watch the rest of the videos.